US dollar against Japanese yen, we can see how the price behaves. The price rise in value, but those candles were very small bodies. We can see the price started reaching this resistance level 49,983, bouncing back down, bouncing back up, bouncing back down, trying to form bullish breakout, but it was unsuccessful with the bearish candle next day. This week, the price formed this bullish breakout. We can see that on the weekly time frame, which is suggesting further rise in value. And the monthly time frame is showing currently a bullish candle above 48.90, which is great information for the bulls. But we have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so everything is still open. We'll see how the price behaves around this resistance level, especially on the lower time frame. Now the weekly currently shows me that there is a possibility that the price will reach 151.66, but I need to see that the next week the price will stay above 48.90, which will validate this bullish breakout. Now the daily time frame currently shows me this was a bullish breakout that has been confirmed with the next candle, and the price tried to continue to rise in value. But on a Friday we can see the price return back down. So first of all, I would like to see the price form me a bullish breakout above 49.98 and then continue to rise in value all the way to 151.66. After the price forms this bullish breakout above this resistance, this will be also a small confirmation that this bullish breakout is a valid one, and the next target will be 151.66. Until that happens, I'm still waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, and that will be shared with the traders inside trading community each day. I will share the details, how the price behaves, what the market does, and every day they will get notifications and also information inside the forum and also Telegram group. If you would like, you can also check the link below in the description. Before that, we can also discuss inside the comment section what do you think, what the price will do. Will the price make a bearish breakout below 148.90, or it will continue to rise value and reaching 151.66 for the next week? Leave your comment and let's see. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.